Thinking about getting a mattress on rent in Delhi? Before you rent a mattress, you probably have a few questions. Is the rented mattress hygienic? How much does a mattress rental in Delhi cost? Is it better to rent a mattress or buy one? Which mattress should you rent? Orthopedic, memory foam, or coir? And what happens if the mattress gets damaged? Can you return or move the mattress when you relocate? In this video, we'll answer all your questions about renting a mattress in Delhi and explain how Rentomojo's mattress rentals work. Whether you're moving to a new flat in Delhi, shifting from a PG, starting your first job, or simply looking for a flexible sleeping solution. This video will help you understand if renting a mattress makes sense for you. Let's start with the biggest question.
Is renting a mattress in Delhi cheaper than buying a mattress? If you're staying in Delhi for less than 33 months, renting a mattress can be the smarter financial choice. Delhi has a large population of students, working professionals, and people who move cities for jobs, internships, competitive exams, and new opportunities. For many renters, the question is not just about buying a mattress, it's about whether they want to invest in something bulky when they are unsure how long they'll stay in the same house. A decent orthopedic mattress can cost anywhere between 8,000 and 20,000 rupees upfront. But buying a mattress comes with its own challenges. Moving the mattress from one house to another can be difficult, especially when shifting between rented apartments in areas like Lajpat Nagar, Sakit, Vasant Kunj, or Haus Khas. So, when you consider the upfront cost, moving hassle, and uncertainty of your stay, renting a mattress in Delhi starts making more sense. With Rentomojo, mattress rentals start at 361 a month. There's no large upfront spend, and when you move, Rentomojo helps relocate your rented mattress for free. Next question. Is a rented mattress hygienic? This is probably the first question people have when they search for mattress on rent in Delhi. At Rentomojo, every rented mattress goes to deep cleaning, sanitization, and quality check before the delivery. So when your rented mattress reaches your Delhi home, it has already gone through a complete hygiene process. Whether you're moving into a rented apartment, a shared flat, or upgrading from a PG setup, at Rentomojo, hygiene of a rented mattress is top priority. The next question is, what type of mattresses can you rent in Delhi? Delhi experiences extreme weather from hot summers to cold winters, so choosing a mattress based on your comfort preference becomes important. When it comes to renting a mattress in Delhi, Rentomojo offers multiple options depending on your comfort needs. You can rent an orthopedic mattress for better back support and posture alignment. Or you can rent a memory foam mattress which will adapt to your body shape and provide a more cushioned sleeping experience. And if you're renting a coir mattress, it is a more traditional, firm, and breathable option, suited for everyday use. Pick whatever suits your sleep requirements and your budget from the catalog. What is the minimum tenure for a mattress rental in Delhi? With Rentomojo, mattress rental plans start from 3 months and can go up to 36 months. This works well for people in Delhi who are new to the city, staying temporarily for work or studies, preparing for competitive exams, on short term projects, or still deciding whether they want to settle. For example, if someone is moving to Delhi for a 6 months internship or a 1 year work assignment, they don't necessarily want to spend thousands upfront on furniture in case they have to move later. That's when renting gives you flexibility. What happens when the tenure ends? You get two choices: continue renting the mattress monthly or return the rented mattress. If you return the mattress, Rentomojo schedules the pickup, inspects the product, and your deposit comes back if everything checks out. You do not have to go through the hassle of listing it online, storage headaches, or hauling it down yourself. In case you want to return the mattress early, there's a small early closure charge that applies. Otherwise, there's no complicated paperwork. You simply raise a return request on the app and Rentomojo schedules the pickup. Is there a security deposit? Yes, there is a security deposit for mattress rentals in Delhi, and it is fully refundable. There is no damage and no pending dues, and you get your full deposit back. In rare cases of major damage, any deduction is communicated within 24 hours. And if you opt for Mojo Secure, you get coverage against accidental damages, minor wear and tear, and unexpected incidents during use, helping protect your deposit even if something goes wrong by accident. Unlike a traditional rental deposit, this one is digital, transparent, and trackable right inside the Rentomojo app. What happens if the rented mattress gets damaged? Normal wear and tear from everyday use is expected. If accidental damage happens, Rentomojo helps with the repair or replacement. Only intentional damage is charged separately. So if you face any issue, simply raise a request through the Rentomojo app and the support team handles it. Can you upgrade the mattress later? Yes. With Rentomojo, after 6 months, you can upgrade to another mattress rental of the same or higher value. So if you started with a mattress to survive Delhi's scorching summer but want a warmer, more comfortable memory foam mattress for winter, you can simply upgrade it after 6 months. That's the flexibility of renting a mattress in Delhi. Your mattress can change with the season. If you buy one, you're usually stuck with it. What if you move to another house in Delhi? This is a big one for Delhi renters. People frequently move between rented homes depending on work locations, budget, roommate, or lifestyle changes. You could start in a shared apartment in Lajpat Nagar, move closer to work in Saket, shift to quieter areas like Vasant Kunj, or relocate based on a new opportunity. If you're relocating within Delhi or to another serviceable city, Rentomojo helps with the relocation of your rented mattress. And if you're shifting your entire house, you can use Mojo Movers. Rentomojo's packers and movers service available at affordable and competitive rates. Same mattress, same plan, new address. There's no transport coordination, no buying a new mattress every time you move. So here's the final verdict on whether you should rent a mattress in Delhi. If you're the student, working professional, or someone who values flexibility, frequently relocates, or is unsure how long you'll stay in Delhi, renting a mattress can be the better option. So to summarize, mattress on rent in Delhi with Rentomojo starts at 361 a month. Every mattress rented from Delhi is deep cleaned, sanitized, and quality checked before delivery. You can choose some orthopedic, memory foam, or coir mattresses. Mattress rental tenures range from 3 months up to 36 months. Your deposit is fully refundable and further protected with Mojo Secure. Mattress upgrades are available after 6 months. Relocation of your rented mattress within Delhi or across cities is available. And if you're staying in Delhi for up to 33 months, renting a mattress can often work out cheaper than buying one.
So if you're setting up a place in Delhi or planning a move soon, check out Rentomojo. Matches rentals start at just 361 a month.